Some of the other issues with file servers and storing files on them are detailed on this slide. While file servers do have the option of security by way of read or write permissions on folders and shares, it is quite a task to have extremely granular rights and to apply them on individual files. For instance, you can have a no-access, read-only, or write rights within a folder. It is quite difficult to add rights such copy, print, email permissions. Also, you usually do this on the entire folder and not on a single file. Even if you, troubleshooting permission issues can be a pain quickly. There is no concept of a workflow on a file server. For example, you cannot have an approval process for, say, a proposal that needs to go out to a client. There is no notification that can be sent to a stakeholder informing him that changes have been made to a document he is interested in. Web-based access is usually found as a third-party add-on for most file servers. This is not something that is built in and requires a lot of configuration and management to get right. File servers also do not allow for automatic offline. If a user takes a copy of a document to work offline, say when traveling or from home, changes made to that document are not automatically added back to the server. Windows Server 2012 R2 does partially alleviate this using a new feature called Work Folders. However, it is more difficult to set up and has certain mandatory requirements for it to work. File servers also do not provide access to the file on it to all devices and over the internet securely. Access to these files can be usually had only through desktop or laptop computers, but not through smartphones or tablets. Also, in most cases, unless specially configured through a VPN, access is found only when physically within the corporate network. Files on Files server are not available remotely. And finally, when you can open any of the compatible files within MS Office directly from a file server, the advanced integration and collaboration capabilities do not get activated as the server doesn't support them.